everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm here to bring you guys my CVS haul. I was pretty excited. I really wanted to do the shampoo deal, and I figured out math on it like 3 times, and then as I was about to do it, sorry you're gonna hear pounding because people are doing stuff, but as I was about to do it, I'm like, oh yeah, I can't combine the 15 off of 60 with the 5 off of 20 for Pantene, and I'm like, nuts. I really wanted to do that deal. But then I'm like, nah, that's okay. It's okay that I didn't do it, but I'm here to share with you guys what I got. Now, I did the 5 off of 25 food deal because number 1, I wanted to get some Ibotta rebates, and number 2, my husband really enjoys this stuff. I'm giving you guys a heads up, I'm not putting a printable breakdown for you guys today. I have a very extremely busy day today on very little sleep, so I have a lot of stuff to do. So if you guys need the breakdown, I can just comment saying, hey, I need the breakdown for this item, but I apologize. But anyways, so I got the super coffee. These were $3.29. I buy one get one 50% off, so I actually bought 4 of these, and then you get $1 off of 2 for Ibotta, and then you get $2 with a limit of 5 through aisle. So I'll get $8 back with aisle. So I got those, and then Ben's screaming. And then I also got the bubbly. This was $2.09, and then I got 75 cents back with Ibotta for this one. And then I also got 2 of these Health Aid Pops. These were $2.89. And then I get $1 back and $1 back with Ibotta. So I got those. And then I also got the Halloween candy that I got. So I ended up doing I got 1 bag of Twix, and then I got 2 bags of Milky Way. These were 3 for $9. I used a 2 off of 3 insert coupon, and then you get $3 back when you purchase these with an extra care box. So with all those items, and then I had the 5 off of 25 CRT, everything came out to be $19.74 for all those items. But I got 75 cents back for the bubbly, I got $2 back for the Health Aid, and I got $1 back for the super coffee for Ibotta. And then I'll be getting $8 back with aisle, and then I'll be getting I got $3 back of an extra care buck for the candy. So my grand total comes out to be just $4.99. I got 10 items at 49 cents each. I think that's a pretty good deal, so I was excited to do that deal. So last week I really wanted to do the mouthwash deal, but my store was sold out of the scope, so I saved my CRT. I had a 2 off of 12, so I ended up doing it this week, which actually turned out pretty good. So I got 3 of the Colgate mouthwashes. These were $4.49, along with the Colgate toothbrush was $4.49. I ended up using a $2 off digital for the toothbrush, and I had a $2 off digital for the Colgate, and then I used 2 $1 off paper coupons. Then I had the 2 off of 12 mouthwash CRT, paid $9.96, but then every 2 you get $5. So I bought 4 of them. I got $10 back for an extra care box, so these ended up becoming free, or like a 4-cent moneymaker. So I got those. Okay. The next deal I got is the Physicians Formula. This was $11.99. My store does the, 2% rule or whatever. So I had a $3 off CRT that I think we got from last week from the Instant Machine, I think. But anyways, I used that. You'd pay $8.99 for this, but then when you spend $12, you get an $8 extra care box. So this comes out to be just 99 cents, and this is actually new. It's a concealer, which I'm actually excited to try. So we got that for us today. Then I was gonna get the Lady Speed Stick, and I actually was printing off 2 coupons, but one of my coupons printed white. It didn't even print, it just was a plain piece of paper, so I'm not sure what happened. But anyways, Lady Speed Stick, these were 2 for $6. I used 1 50-cent off printable coupon from ladyspeedstick.com. Had a 2 off of 2 CRT, paid $3.50, but then you get a $2 extra care buck when you buy 2 of them. Comes out to be just $1.50, or it would have been $1 if you got both of those coupons. But 75 cents is a pretty decent deal, so I got those. Now, I had 2 L'Oreal Revitalift CRTs, and I had 2 Age Perfect CRTs for $6. And I was like, sweet, I get to use those. But the deal was spend $30, and there was nothing that was like in the middle. So I ended up getting just this one because I have a lot of the Age Perfect, and I really like the Revitalift, but I've never tried this. Actually, I might have tried this one at one point. I can't remember. But anyways, this is a facial thing. I think you just put it on your face. Yeah. Okay. But anyways, this was $31.49. $31.49. But I had a 5 off of 15 L'Oreal facial CRT, and then I had 2 $6 off L'Oreal Revitalift Derm Intensive CRTs. So I paid $14.49 for this. But then there is a you get $10 back when you spend $30. So I ended up getting this for $4.49. But this itself would just qualify for beauty. So technically I'll get $3 back. So this technically comes to be $1.49. From $31 to $1.49, I saved $30. I will definitely take that. That is a great deal. And then I got all these Neutrogena CRTs, and I'm like, what the heck? So I had a 2 off of 8 Neutrogena CRT. I had a $2.50 off Neutrogena wipes, and had another $2.50 Neutrogena wipes. I had a $1.50 off printable coupon, and I had a $1 off or $1.50 digital coupon. So I bought both of these. These were $7.49. They were buy one, get one 40% off. I used those coupons and the CRTs, ended up paying $1.98. But then there's a deal when you buy 2 of them, you get a $2 extra care buck. So these are absolutely for free. Now these are the ones in the regular aisle. These were not by the ones with the makeup. So in case you guys need to get some wipes, go for it. And I love the Neutrogena ones. So that was my haul. I wanted to do the whole the shampoo conditioner thing, but it just wasn't turning out in my favor, and that was okay. I was okay with that. So my grand total came to $6.65 is what my total was. I used $52 worth of extra care bucks. I actually received $17 for what, that 10% beauty thing. 17. It wasn't showing up in my ad, but when I printed it out, it showed up. But there was that. And then I only received $35 back, but I do think I'll receive $6 for beauty. I'm like, from the thing I needed to spend like $2 more to get a thing of beauty, so I know for sure that I'll probably get $6 back with beauty. But with Ibotta, I received $3.75, and with Aisle, I will be receiving $8 back. So my grand total would be $11.90. Just 20 items at 59 cents a piece, but like I said, I will probably get $6 in beauty, so that'll make it $5.90, which is still a pretty good deal. But I'm happy with my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. I will have a picture of all the items with the coupons at the end of this video, so you guys can check that out. Thanks again for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.